Hello again. We back with a new video. In this video, I will show you how you can add some noises to your image. As you know, we have several noises and we can add them to your image and also we can work with them. In this video, I will show you how you can add a salt noise or white dots to your image. Okay, let's start with this. Similar to the previous codes, we have to use some module or libraries. As you remember, for read and show an image, we just need the high GUI module. But when we want to work in more details of the image processing, we need some more libraries. And for this codes, we just need to use the core library or core module to do some basic calculation for us. And also we can use the some namespace such as CV. Okay, we will back to this. In this code, we wrote a function called salt, and in our main body of our codes, we call this function. But let's start from the main part. Okay, similar to the previous one, we read an image. As you remember, we can load an image by this imread lena.bmp or lena.tif that we have in our folder. Okay, then we can show it, and also as we want to show two windows or two images in parallel, we have to put a name windows comment. It means that we have to introduce a new windows image, and later after some changing, then when we want to show another image with this image, we have to add another figure or another windows for this. Remember, it's similar to the previous code. We just read an image and show it, and after that we called another function that we use. If, for example, if we write these lines as a comment and we run the code, okay, it just show us the Lena image that we have in our folder. Okay, but for this code we want to add some white dots, or we can call it salt noise, because as you know, we have salt and pepper noise that add some black dots and white dots to your image. If we just use the white dots, we can call it salt noise. Okay, then we call the function here, and it means that by this function we will add that white dots to the image. Okay, let's go to the function and see what happened in the function. As you know, for write a function, we can use void salt, the name of the function we want to use. We use the math, the class that we are working, that we need for the image. The image that is input for this function, and we need n for show or for understand that how much of the white codes we need in our image. Okay, first we have to introduce some indexes, for example I and j here, for number of columns and number of rows in the image. To add this noise, we you can use a loop. Here we use this loop for from integer k, start from 0 to the n, the number of white dots that we need in our image, or we want to add them to our image. For example, if we need 3000, then the car start from 0 to 3000. Okay, as you know, we want to add white dots. So for each index we have to generate a random number, and you know that for a 8-bit image the maximum value is 255. So we have to write in this form, generate a random number in the range of 0 to 255 image column. And also for j, that's used for the row, we have the same thing, but instead of column we have to write rows. Okay, then here we can say that for the first channel, for one of the channel, image channel, for one of the channel, we can write image at char ji, that's our index equal to 255, that return the white color, or it return a pixel that has the value of the 255 or white color. And also if the channel is 3, it means that if we have a grayscale image here, it means that we have one channel. And else, if we have 3 channel, for each channel we have to put some noise or some white dots in our image for the first channel, second channel, and the third channel. And you know that we have 3 channel in our image. RGB, we can call in the MATLAB, it's in this form RGB, or in the OpenCV that blue, green, red. Okay, in the first channel we add this noise, these dots, or for the last one we add these dots. It means if we read an image and then call this function, it will add some white dots or some 255 values to our image. Okay, then in the main page, in the main part of the code, we can call the function salt the input image that we have here, and we need, for example, 3000 white dots in our image. So when we call it, as a result, we have a new image, and with that new image we have some white dots. Okay, we have to call a new windows to show that and show the new image, and we can use wait key to wait for us to press any button. If we run this code, okay, it will show us the original one. And here, that's the salty image. We add 3000 white dots to the image, or we add some salt noise to our image. For example, if we change this value to, for example, 1000, it just add 1000 white dots to our image, and you can see here that the number of white dots reduced to 1000 compared with the previous one. And with this code you can easily add this noise to your image. And also, for example, instead of the white salt noise or white dots, if you need to add some black dots, instead of 255, you just need to add put the 0 or black color here in the function, here for the grayscale image, here, and here for the color images. Okay, by this code you easily add this noise to your image. That's it for this video. See you on next video. Bye.